Good morning, right back, Bulldozer. I know I heard you a few minutes ago. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is my first key for the day, Bulldozer. Trying to see what's going on out here. It's sunny out here this morning. Last time I was out here it was cloudy skies. But we got a sunny one this morning. Hello, Bulldozer, Bulldozer, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9 rocking and rolling.
Come on and stroke a running man, Mobile, New Orleans, and down.
Hello, radio. Test 1 2 1 2. Hello, radio. Test 1 2 1 2. Trinitron9 rocking and rolling. Trinitron9 rocking and rolling. The man with all that bread got down. Good morning, Pistol Grip, and more Pistol Grip. Good morning, Pistol Grip, and more Pistol Grip. Trinitron9 checking my water. A5 double deuce, Trinitron9 trying to put it in your radio. A5 double deuce, Trinitron9 trying to put it up in your radio. Good morning, 5 double deuce, number 9, Coney Ellen. Got down? By 522 Red Dog. By 522 Red Dog, number 9, Brooklyn, New York. A 522 Red Dog, number 9, Brooklyn, New York. Said good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, 522 Magnolia, I got it all, you said it all. A 522 in the Magnolia, I got it all, you said it all. Have a good day. 522, number 9, Brooklyn, New York. Bye, bye, bye.
All right, out there around that big apple, 522, so you're going to have to send him some of them big red apples. Oh, 522, so you're going to have to send him some of them big red apples around the big apple. 522.
And that's a 5 double deuce on the Big Apple. That's a 5 double deuce on those apples. No doubt about it. Take care, my friend. 5 double deuce. We'll do it again. 5 double deuce, number 9, Brooklyn, New York. And number 9, Bay Station, Brooklyn, New York. Bye, bye, bye.
Hello, New York. I didn't get that 28, but good morning. Mr. Terrific, Greenville, Mississippi, off the key.
Hey, Mr. Terrific, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Hey, Mr. Terrific, Trinitron9, Trinitron9. Hey, Mr. Terrific, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen with the morning wave.
Get back in the cat picking bedroom and get ready for my therapy. Mr. Terrific, Greenville, Magnolia, I step down.
Hey, Mr. Terrific, number 9, Coney Ellen, trying to get it back up in your radio. I heard Bulldozer up there again also. Hey, Mr. Terrific, Trinitron9, these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Hello, Mr. Terrific, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Got all the way down?
Yeah, right, Trinitron9, fast enough for you. Trinitron9, I appreciate the comeback, man. Let me know I'm still broadcasting. Trinitron9, have a great, blessing, great day. Mr. Terrific, Greenville, Mississippi. I'm going to put my socks on. I'm getting up.
All right, brother, do what you got to do. We'll do it again the next time. Mr. Terrific, waving it to you one more time. And waving it to the band. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Bye, bye, bye.
All right, Trinitron, somebody told me bye, Mr. Terrific, bye. I heard you too. Hey, Trinitron, let me get out of here. Mr. Terrific in the mag is gone.
Bye, 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 bye. Go ahead and do what you got to do. Trinitron9, back on the side. 29.5 is looking like 1.5. Hey, Pistol Grip, that's what it's looking like right now, 1.5.
That 18 wheeling. We know you out there. 129, Mr. Mr. Terrific and the Mag going again.
To be in the stories for the last year. It sounds good. Sounds good, but I got you with a 1.5. That's all. But it sounds good. Hello, radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. The man in the deep waters of Coney Island got down. Snap Dimex and 2-pill driver. You said you're on that Snap Dimex and 2-pill driver. Hello, radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. That man with all that bread in Coney Island got down.
I'm out of Coney Island. I'm out of Coney Island, Mississippi Judge. I'm out of Coney Island, Mississippi Judge, and Mississippi reading the mail.
Hello, Mississippi Judge. Hello, Mississippi Judge. While you reading the mail, good morning from Coney Island. Hey, Mississippi Judge, good morning from Coney Island, number 9 base station, Coney Island with the morning wave. Take care, Mississippi Judge. I'm waiting on my conditions out here in Coney Island. Take care, Mississippi Judge. I'm waiting for my conditions out here in Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. I'm waiting for my conditions under the sunlight. Your Trinitron9, Coney Island base station with the morning wave. Got all the way down. All right, Mississippi Duck. Thanks for correcting me, Mississippi Duck. Okay, I got you. Quack, quack. Hey, Mississippi Duck. I got it. Quack, 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 quack. Good morning, Mississippi Duck. Number 9, Coney Island. Say bye, bye, bye. Who else can get it back to Coney Island? Number 9, Coney Island. Checking on my water. Who else can get it back to Coney Island? Number 9, Coney Island. Checking on my water.
I sure appreciate it, man. Appreciate the as well. I'm gonna step to the side. My big brother out there, Mississippi Duck, hollering as well. Hey, Crush, appreciate it. I'm carrying on.
Trinitron9, Coney Island, right there, right now. Your Trinitron9, Coney Island, right there, right now. Good morning on the band, good morning on the band, good morning on the band. Nobody but Trinitron9, Coney Island, checking my water. Whole lot of jumping up and down. There's a whole lot of jumping up and down out there. I said there's a whole lot of jumping up and down out there. It ain't nobody but number 9 Coney Island in my base station checking my water. It ain't nobody but Trinitron9 Coney Island in my base station checking on my water. I heard somebody say top of the morning, number 9. I heard somebody say top of the morning, number 9 around Coney Island. That's what I heard. Hello, radio. I heard you say top of the morning, number 9. Come on back, number 9, Coney Island. Checking my water. Okay, good morning, right back. I heard somebody else say good morning, number 9. I'm just waiting on my conditions up here in Coney Island, man. I'm standing in the middle of this water with all this bread in my hand. I'm trying to see what's going on. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Number 9, Coney Island. Got down? Hello, 840 Bayou. Hello, 840 Bayou. I'm waving right back. Hello, Trinitron9 and more Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Hell yeah, probably. I ain't so much. Yeah, that's what it is. What do you know? I was tired. Get back to 84, man. 84.
Got it, 84 Bayou. 84 Bayou. Got it that time. I appreciate you. 84. And more 84 in the Bayou. Have a real good day. I'm just out here waiting on my conditions in Coney Island. 84 Bayou. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Appreciate it, Crush. I thought my radio wasn't working. Hey, morning time, Crush. Hey, top of the morning time, Crush. Or Deacon in these wee fields. Mr. Crush. Or these wee fields.
Hello, radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Hello, radio. Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down? Waving it right back around Mississippi. Waving it right back around Mississippi, man. I'm just out here trying to see what's going on in these deep waters of Coney Island. Waving it right back around Mississippi. You're Trinitron9, the man with all that bread in Coney Island. Got down?
Radio, get down. 944, White Clove. Have a good day.
Take care around Mississippi. I hit at 944 in the Black Gold. I'm out here in the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm just testing my water. I'm testing the temperature out here in Coney Island. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. I appreciate it, man. I hear you coming back. It gets rough sometimes, starts heterodyning, other people in there. You know how it is. But I hear you coming back to Coney Island. No doubt about it. I'm out here testing my water temperature this morning. It's a beautiful sunny day out here in Coney Island. I'm testing my water temperature. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Got down?
What's the name of it?
I heard 383. I didn't hear Bulldozer. I heard 383 and heard some other people out there. Hello, radio. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island. The man with all that bread in his hand. Got down?
Goodness, I got a train wreck in my radio already. Made a 308 Jaybird Elevation, Texas, standing by.
Good morning, 308. Good morning, 308, number 9, Coney Island, trying to get up in your radio. Hey, 308, number 9, Coney Island, trying to get up in your radio.
Hey, I hear you squeaking in there, my friend. Hope you're having a good hump day and a better week coming up. Get a 308 back up in the mail.
I don't know if 308 was coming back to me or not, so I don't want to do no ghost token. I don't know if 308 was coming back to number 9 out here in Coney Island, so I do not want to do any ghost token. Hello around the band, hello around the band. Number 9, Deep Waters of Coney Island. Number 9, base station, Coney Island. Checking my water.
Down here to the grease on the house this morning.
Good morning, Big Al. Good morning, Big Al. Your Trinitron9 slipping and sliding. Hey, Big Al, Trinitron9 slipping and sliding out here in Coney Island. Hey, Big Al, look around Coney Island. I'm trying to put it in your ear hole. Hey, Big Al, look around these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9 trying to put it in your ear hole. Hello, Big Al. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Get down.
Yeah, I bad company.
Take it, Big Al. No doubt about it. Taking my friend Big Al, Dallas, Texas. Trinitron9 rocking and rolling out here in these deep waters of Coney Ellen. Hey, Big Al, have a good day. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Bye, 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 bye. Big Al got his mind made up. Big Al got his mind made up. Hello, radio. That Big Al around Dallas got his mind made up. Hello, radio. Hello on the good time to the good time game. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, testing my water. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, testing my water. I'm gonna ease back to the boardwalk. I'm gonna ease back to the boardwalk and sit down and watch the ships go by. I think I'm just gonna ease back to the boardwalk out here in Coney Island. I'm gonna ride the next wave, and I'm going back to the boardwalk. I'm just gonna sit on the boardwalk, the dock of the bay, watch my ships go by, and all of God's beautiful birds fly. Good morning on the band. Good morning on the band. Nobody but Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rocking and rolling.
Big Al is Dallas. I'm right back, right. Hey, Trinitron9, old Decon in these wheat fields with a big old wheat field way.
Leaving it right back, Deacon, in the wheat fields. That's a big wave you're putting in my radio. Hey, Deacon, that's a big wave you're putting up in my radio. Have a good day, Deacon. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Cruising this old heavy antique transmitter in these wheat fields, getting on that.
Take care, Deacon. Take care, Deacon. No doubt about it. We'll do it again. Big Al's making a whole lot of noise up in there also. Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. I'm working my way back to the boardwalk. I'm getting out of these deep waters and I'm working my way back to the boardwalk. Trinitron9, Coney Ellen. Got all the way down.
At the station. Gotta go to the boom. All matter of fact, take care of what you will. Welcome to the we have a real weekend on the end, no doubt about it. Hey, 333 out.
Shame on the man, shame on the man. I got a few big hammers up in my ear hole while I work my way back to the boardwalk. I got a few big hammers up in my radio while I work my way back to the boardwalk. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nobody but Trinitron9. That man with all that bread in his hand, Coney Ellen, getting down.
And that's a big old wheat field Raji. 333 bumping on you when I can. Nobody but your Decon. Cruising this old heavy antique transmitter in these fields, getting on down.
Hello, radio. Y'all got to do something with Decon. He got my ear hole out here in Coney Island. Y'all are going to have to do something with that Decon because he got my ear hole out here in Coney Island. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, working my way back to the boardwalk. Break, break, break.
I wouldn't want to do too much damage to anybody's ears, man, but I don't know, it must be a Mother Nature thing. Crush, old Decon in the fields, getting on down.
I see Crush. Put that 148 pounds of Crush on there. It is what it is out here in these deep waters of Coney Island while I work my way back to the boardwalk. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, County Ellen, rocking and rolling.
Wow. Oh, Deacon at the station back in these bushes.